the Toby's factories of the SMT line, and we have 6 machines of the production driver and the air chip. Now we show you how production is 3 line for production driver. Okay, come on, let's show you how to prove that. There's how to solve the problem. And this is the driver from this machine from there to here. Okay, and first we make the spare parts. So one by one come to the motherboard. From this heat machine here, we checking every pieces of the parts. Is it 100% is right position? And the melt is 100% is okay. From this machine pass to here, then ready products comes here. In these products, 100% is no any quality issues. Okay, so this is for LED driver. Now let's go to LED chip. Second part, we see that this LED chip from LED chip factories. Okay. Then this one will come to the motherboard of the LED. I can check inside machines. All the LEDs come to the border. After finishing product comes like this. Okay, this line finish, but we are not sure that this line finish, but we are not sure that is 100% quality is okay or not okay. Then from here we come to second line. Put on LED in this one vacuum machine. Okay, vacuum machine showing that temperature from 160. Come to 140, then same time drop down to -23. Then after this longer machine and this product comes like this, okay? Oh, it's very hot. Still very hot. To make sure that inside the LED 100% touch the motherboard. To make sure that the LED will not get damaged. The LED, to guarantee this part don't have problems. We were talking about the driver part. So the LED only 2 important parts. If these 2 parts don't have any quality issues, your LED safe.